The idea of an asteroid hitting Earth and causing widespread destruction is a concern among many of us. There have been several close calls throughout history, with some asteroids barely missing our planet. It is quite clear that people are naturally afraid of these kinds of disasters because of their devastating consequences. We know asteroids are frequently depicted in movies as causing havoc for humans. The threat is not fictitious. The truth is that asteroids are a serious and credible threat to humanity, and NASA also has identified multiple large asteroids on a collision course with Earth. The concept of asteroids as a credible threat to humanity is taken very seriously by scientists and researchers. Imagine a world where Earth is constantly under threat from asteroids hurtling through space. A world where every day, scientists and government officials are on high alert, scanning the skies for the next potential impact. A massive asteroid was spotted once and thought to be in a collision course with Earth, and the race against time begins. A team of brilliant scientists comes up with a plan to save the day, or to save our planet. Thus, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART mission, NASA's plan to deflect asteroids, should they be spotted to be on a collision course with our planet. Introduced on April 15, 2005 by NASA, the DART mission is the first planetary defense project aiming to deflect incoming asteroids to prevent devastating impact. But will this be the moment that saves Earth from a deadly asteroid? Will this DART mission succeed? When will it be operational? And how does it intend to save us from the greatest threat to humanity?
Audio Jungle.
The DART mission is a key test of asteroid deflection capabilities that agencies like NASA hope to perform before the need arises. DART is NASA's demonstration of kinetic impactor technology, which involves using a high-speed impactor to hit an asteroid and change its speed and trajectory. This is the first space mission of its kind, and it launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This Earth's defense program, DART's mission will provide valuable data that will help us better understand how to protect our planet from future asteroid impacts. The DART mission was scheduled to launch on November 24, 2022, and will target an asteroid known as Didymos. The DART's mission's target is the Didymos binary asteroid system, which consists of two asteroids. A larger one called Didymos, diameter 780 meters or 0.48 miles, and a smaller moonlet called Dimorphos, diameter 160 meters or 525 feet. Although the system poses no actual threat to Earth, it has been chosen as the ideal candidate for humankind's first planetary defense experiment. Before the DART spacecraft's kinetic impact, Dimorphos orbited Didymos once every 11 hours and 55 minutes. At a distance of 1.18 kilometers, 0.73 miles, from the large asteroid. The DART impact shortened the orbit period by changing the velocity of Dimorphos. As an eclipsing binary, the Didymos system can be studied by Earth-based telescopes. By measuring the regular variation in brightness of Didymos caused by Dimorphos passing in front of and behind it, the orbit of Dimorphos can be determined. Although Didymos was about 11 million kilometers, 7 million miles, from Earth when DART hit it, telescopes around the world have been able to contribute to the global observing campaign to determine the impact's effect. At the time of impact with Dimorphos, the DART's kinetic impact energy weighs 570 kilograms. Dimorphos has a mass of 5 billion kilograms based on its estimated size and density. The DART's demonstration is designed in such a way that Didymos' orbit does not intersect Earth's. Additionally, the energy impulse delivered to Dimorphos by DART is low and will not disrupt the asteroid. The mission is designed to show that we can change the trajectory of an asteroid if it were on course to impact Earth. By slamming into Dimorphos, DART will alter its orbit and bring it closer to Didymos. This is an important step in protecting our planet from potential asteroid threats. DART's target asteroid is not a threat to Earth, making it the perfect candidate to test whether intentionally crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid can effectively change its course. This information could be invaluable in the future if we discover an asteroid that is on a collision course with Earth. This result is a significant step towards understanding the full impact of DART's collision with its target asteroid. Lori Glaze, director of NASA's Planetary Science Division at NASA headquarters in Washington, said, as new data is received each day, astronomers will be able to better assess whether and how a mission like DART could be used in the future to help protect Earth from an asteroid collision if one is discovered heading our way. The investigation is ongoing and the team is collecting data from ground-based observatories and radar facilities, including NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory's Goldstone Planetary Radar in California and the National Science Foundation's Greek Bank Observatory in West Virginia. The team is also taking frequent observations to improve the precision of the period measurement. The DART spacecraft impact on the Dimorphos asteroid was captured by the Draco camera, which streamed live images back to Earth. The Draco camera is the only onboard instrument on the DART spacecraft. It is a high-resolution imager based on the New Horizons spacecraft LORI instrument. The Draco camera helped navigate the DART spacecraft to the Didymos system before impact. Asteroids present a very real threat to the continued existence of life on Earth. Although we have never been hit by a large asteroid, we know that they are out there and that it is only a matter of time before one collides with our planet. This is why it is so important for us to emphasize the importance of the mission of defending humanity against the threat of asteroids. By working together, we can better prepare ourselves for the next big impact and ensure that our planet and its inhabitants are safe. The DART mission is a historic undertaking that could save Earth from a devastating asteroid impact. It is the first mission of its kind, and it represents a new era of space exploration. If successful, DART will be a moment that everyone remembers, and it could be the moment that saves Earth from a deadly asteroid. Like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest news about the DART mission.